Yeah, I'm back. And this time, we can finally locate the next enemy. This place is so boring and wimpy peaceful. I'm gonna teleport away. This place looks super green, like vegetables. Hey, what the ostrich is that?
I am the leader of the Boo cult, and I shall resurrect.
Boo! You wouldn't! I can't let you bring him back! Little Beast Bear has to stay down!
Oh yeah? Well, I will do it with the Boo ritual! No!
Where the heck did that ostrich go? I can't let him resurrect Boo. If he does that, then Boo will be back.
Can't let that guy get away! I can't let him resurrect Boog!
I shall do the Boo ritual. Here it goes. First, I need to draw a bear head. Then, a nose. A huge smile. Snake eye. And a big space. A circle. 3 circles. Naming Boo's 3 favorite food groups. Now, I must grab the ingredients to finish the ritual. The ingredients. The chips. The chewy candy. And last but not least, chocolate. Soog, creator of open season, master of Sony, give me the power! I beg of you!
No! Boo! He's back! Boo! You monster! I'll have to ear-rip your ears again by saying the words
Also, forces people to play this board game.
I need help, but Soog's gone. I left him, but I need some help to stop. Wait, Soog, is that you? It is me, but we must run. He's too powerful now. Boog! Here, I'll take the flag. You're too huge. I'll take the bucket. Yeah, it was not working. We're going down the drain. We can't let Boo stop us. Oh no, he's coming. You're too heavy! No! Alright, we need a better plan.
Okay, wait.
Oh, it hurts so much.
I made it disappear! Since I'm the servant of Boog! I shall blow you away!
How could you be so powerful?
I am bigger than you!
Yes, and that means we shall defeat you with the super rat belly blast.
Easy. That's all that's left of him. It's so easy. But
we shall not ease off now. For that, we must stand our guard, for the Boog is in full power.
So I guess this battle is one-sided.
Should we do the teleportation trick to defeat Boog?
So now we shall go and face Boog! Put your hand on the super rad and cool device, and we shall teleport. Go.
Huge! Oh, that was huge! Wait, look down there!
Where is Boog? Wait, I know a place. We gotta run over there though. Come on, let's go!
Yeah, let's run!
My teleportation is getting a little bit odd lately, so we gotta do some cool stuff.
Yeah!
Oh no.
Wait, why do we need
This
to run?
can't be possible!
He is too powerful now! We must retreat and train for several hours until we can finally defeat Boog!
He's too big of a force! Then
Let's run! Or teleport!
I guess we'll have to finish him next time.